Hey friends, Gary here. Today I'm very excited to announce you my new Patreon page with the link right here. It's patreon.com/Gary_W. If you like my videos and you would like to support me directly, this is one way to do it. And if you decide to join my Patreon membership, then you'll get some benefits. First membership option is called the GX850 Tier. For $5 a month, you can have access to Ask Me questions that I will answer on my upcoming weekly Q&A sessions on my main YouTube channel. I think this is the best way for us to have a two-way conversation so that you can have your question answered by me based on my experience as an enthusiast photographer. Second membership option is called the GX85 Tier. So along with the access to question and answer sessions, you also be able to download some photos that I've captured myself using my own cameras and lenses. I think this is ideal to use for your phones or your desktop's background. And these are real images that I've captured from my everyday photography session as well as from my travels. There's absolutely no pressure to join, guys, but if you truly love my videos, then your direct support will mean a lot to me. Making these videos really consume a lot of time, energy, and personal resources for me. So with your support, I can continue to make these videos for you with more creative freedom and less dependence on sponsorship, brand deals, and also paid collaborations. Anyway, thank you for being a part of this journey, guys. Thank you for being a part of our little community, our YouTube channel, Gary W. Your support truly means the world to me, and you've been able to make my dream into a reality. Back then, I was dreaming about having this community where I can just share my love and passion and joy of photography and cameras and lenses, and just being able to connect with like-minded people like you guys. This truly is a dream come true, and I'm forever grateful to you. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you either in my Patreon page or on my next video in this YouTube channel. Goodbye.